The Cobectal 8-stage RO is a countertop reverse osmosis water filter system that requires no installation, making it highly convenient for use in various settings such as homes, offices, and RVs. Equipped with a smart touch panel, this water filtration system is user-friendly, allowing you to switch working modes effortlessly with a simple touch. With its advanced 8-stage filtration process, the Cobectal system efficiently reduces impurities like lead and chlorine, boasting an impressive purity-to-waste ratio of 4:1. This versatile system offers both room temperature and hot water options, along with a child lock feature, ensuring safety for households with children and pets. Featuring a removable 4-liter water tank and automatic flushing, the system ensures a continuous supply of clean water while maintaining hygiene. A filter replacement reminder light helps maintain optimal performance, and Cobectal's responsive customer service is ready to assist with any inquiries.